Hello guys, this is Logan Spalding, and he is jumping a ramp on his dirt bike. There he goes. And there's a volleyball net and my hammock. And I'm sitting on a lawnmower, so there he goes. Wow. I kind of missed it almost. Hold on. Bear with me, would you? Hey, jump it again! Let's go. Come on. Here he goes. What are you doing? Come on, dude. Oh, he's making it interesting, hey? No? What is he doing? He's technical difficulties with he's kind of, I guess, moving it so he doesn't run into the car. Yeah. That's my doggy. Her name's Mia. Best doggy in the world. Just saying. Not bragging or anything. Oh gosh. What was that? That was weird and pathetic, I would say. Can't kick it into gear. Oh, cleared it that time, y'all. That was... Alright. We're going to end on that one, y'all. Goodbye.